So good afternoon everyone. I am going to take this activity about the supervised machine learning. Okay, under artificial intelligence and machine learning. So here supervised learning in machine learning. The tomato is given as the raw data, which is given as the algorithm. Okay, and this is processed with this processing, and again it go to the model trained output. Okay, and finally the robot says that it is a tomato. We need to train the system and the algorithm with the process of the tomato. Okay, this is what supervised learning is. The types of machine learning in which machines are trained using well labeled trained data on the basics of the data, and machines predict the output. In the supervised learning, the training data provides the machine work as a supervisor that teaches the machine to predict the output correctly. It applies the same concept as the students learn in the supervision of the teacher. Okay, these are the steps involved in supervised learning. Determine the type of training data sets, collect or gather the labeled trained data sets, and split the trained data sets into training data set or test data set. Determine the suitable algorithm for the model, execute the algorithm on the training data set, evaluate the accuracy of the model by providing the test data set. Okay, this is for supervised machine learning. It contains, the input contains a ample number of shapes, right? Hexagonal, square, triangle, and pentagon, etc. Right? This is given to the model training data. Okay, this training data is what it will do. It will give as an input to this test data. Okay, when the test data matches with this input data, it will give us the output. That is what this square and the triangle output came. Okay, let us do the same set of data with some students activity. Okay, the supervised learning model. We need to see with some students doing the role play activity for this supervised learning in machine learning algorithm. Okay, they have this 4 students. They will come as one will process as the input, another will process the algorithm, other one process as a processing. At last, finally, the other last person will give us the output. Let us do the same activity. Let us do the activity for the same supervised learning in machine learning algorithm in detail. Okay, so thank you all.
We are going to do an activity based on supervised machine learning. So basically, supervised machine learning is nothing but to predict the desired input data. So shall we start the activity? Okay, fine. Hi all, I am the raw input data.
Here I create an algorithm for a given raw data. I am the processing